Struggling with a 20,000 rupee or $2,000 mortgage? Solar ETFs could save you. I'm UF, a certified financial planner, and I've helped clients secure millions. Today, uncover NiftyGreen ETFs, InvescoTAN, and global picks, plus wild hacks like RedditHacks and AIScreeners. Stay for a bonus tip. Mortgages are sinking under global crises, floods, inflation, but solar ETFs can lighten the load. We'll explore India's NiftyGreen ETFs, the US Invesco Solar ETF, and global options with unconventional hacks like crowdsourced tips and AI tools, plus a bonus to grow your wealth. Ready to power your mortgage? Let's go. Global disasters like the 2025 Texas floods and India's monsoon are crushing homeowners. Meet Priya, a hypothetical Indian with a 20,000 rupees per month mortgage, and John, a US homeowner with a $2,000 per month burden, both hit by rising costs. A 2025 report shows 15% of global mortgages are at risk. But here's the fix. Solar ETFs can generate returns to support your payments. You don't need big capital, just smart moves. Comment below. Is your mortgage under pressure? Share your story. In India, NiftyGreen up 10% per Zarada data. Tap into Flipkart's solar trends. Retail giants going green. Priya invests 100,000 rupees, earning 10,000 rupees annually. That covers half her 20,000 rupees per month mortgage over time. Buy via Zarada or Grow. Tracking India's renewable energy index. It's a steady lift from MortgageStress. Unconventional. Hit Reddit India. 4 crowdsourced ETF tips. Users suggest limiting solar ETFs to 2% of your portfolio, minus 2,000 rupees of a 100,000 rupee portfolio to balance risk. Priya followed this, gaining 200 rupees monthly toward her mortgage. Search India investments. Verified tips with Zoro and diversify. Got a Reddit tip for ETFs? Share it below. Priya invested 100,000 rupees in NiftyGreen ETFs, earning 10,000 rupees yearly, and added 2,400 rupees from Reddit tips over 2 years, totaling 50,000 rupees. This cut her 20,000 rupees per month mortgage strain by 2 months. You can replicate this with solar trends. In the US, Invesco SolarTAN is up 10%. Per recent trends, John invests $10,000, earning $1,000 yearly, covering half of his $2,000 per month mortgage over time. Trade via eToro. Leveraging Prime Day, solar product surges. It's a reliable mortgage booster. Unconventional. Mimic top eToro ETF traders. Select those with 80% plus success rates on 10. John copied the trader, gaining $500 extra yearly toward his mortgage. Sign up on eToro. Analyze trader stats and auto follow. Low effort, high reward. Who's your top trader on eToro? Share below. John's $10,000. And TAN yielded $1,000 plus $1,500, mimicking traders over 3 years, totaling $5,000. This eased his $2,000 per month mortgage by 2.5 months. Which global ETF are you eyeing? Comment below. Here's your action plan. 1. India. Invest in NiftyGreen ETFs via Zarada. Limit to 2% portfolio. Check Reddit tips. 2. USA. Buy TAN on eToro. Mimic top traders during Prime Day trends. 3. Global. Explore VN-Green ETFs or EU funds via brokers. Use TradeRiser for ESG picks. 4. Track gains with YNAB to offset mortgage costs. 5. Reinvest profits in stable ETFs via eToro. Bonus tip, beyond ETFs also. Audit your energy bills. Cutting 10% usage saves $20 per month, boosting mortgage funds. Track with a simple app like Mint. Download our free solar mortgage planner in the description. Like, subscribe to Money Pulse, and share your ETF hack below. Let's power up together.